If you're looking to use SuiteDash to manage your digital marketing agency, you've come to the right place. This quick explainer will show you exactly how SuiteDash can help streamline your operations and make your business run smoother. Stick around, because not only will we dive into SuiteDash's features, but we'll also highlight some alternatives that could work even better for your needs. You won't want to miss the best deal at the end. So, let's jump into SuiteDash and how it can be your all-in-one platform for managing clients, projects, and team communications. First thing, SuiteDash offers a unified dashboard where you can keep track of your leads, clients, and ongoing projects all in one place. It's a solid way to consolidate your work without needing to jump between multiple tools. You'll see everything in real time and keep tabs on upcoming deadlines and important tasks. Next thing, their CRM, Customer Relationship Management, system is pretty robust. You can easily add new leads, manage contact information, and even track client communication. It's useful for keeping your client relationships organized, so nothing slips through the cracks. While SuiteDash does a decent job with this, you might feel that the CRM interface could use some improvement, as it can be a bit cluttered at times. The third thing SuiteDash excels at is project management. It comes with built-in task management, milestones, and time tracking features. This can be crucial for a digital marketing agency where multiple tasks need to be managed at once. Whether you're handling content creation, social media, or client reporting, everything can be monitored in one place. But it's not always the most intuitive, so there might be a bit of a learning curve to get everything just right. Next, SuiteDash offers billing and invoicing tools. You can easily send out invoices, track payments, and even manage subscriptions. This is a huge time saver for agencies that want to avoid jumping between accounting software. However, it's worth noting that while functional, it might not have as many advanced features as dedicated invoicing platforms like QuickBooks or FreshBooks. The fifth thing worth mentioning is client portals. SuiteDash provides secure, customizable portals where your clients can log in and check their own project progress, invoices, and documents. This can help improve communication and provide a more professional experience. However, some clients have reported a clunky user interface when navigating through the portal, which might detract from the overall experience. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of using software for a digital marketing agency: automation. SuiteDash does offer automation tools, allowing you to automate client onboarding, emails, and more. While these are handy, they're not as flexible or powerful as what you might find with other specialized platforms. It's definitely a helpful feature, but don't expect SuiteDash to handle complex workflows the same way a tool like Zapier would. The last thing I want to point out is SuiteDash's integrations. While it does integrate with a number of other tools, it's still a bit limited compared to some of its competitors. For example, if you're working with a specific tool for reporting or analytics, SuiteDash might not integrate as seamlessly. This could cause some frustration if you rely on those tools to track your agency's performance. But here's the twist: SuiteDash isn't the only player in town, and there are alternatives that may suit your needs better. For example, tools like Honeybook or Monday. Calm offers smoother user interfaces, better integrations, and more powerful automation capabilities. They're great for digital marketing agencies and are more intuitive to use overall. Now, before you decide, I've got a special offer for you. If you're ready to try SuiteDash, we've secured an exclusive and extended free trial, so you can test everything out for yourself. And if you're still on the fence, we've also got links to other alternatives that come with their own free trials, so you can see how they stack up against SuiteDash. Check the link in the description to get the best trial offers and exclusive bonuses just for our viewers.